Hello, my dear children. Today we can go through the chapter 12 Smart Charts. What is that? You all are familiar with the quiz competition. While conducting the quiz, we will mark something like this way. Tally marks. Up to 4, this will be like this way. And when we are marking this 5, we will draw the cross of this 4 lines. Okay. Now this is 5. Then again, if this is 5, now the total is 10. Okay, if there is one more or two more lines, now this is 12 and so on. Okay, now this number you got 12 marks in quiz competition. This chart, the graph, do you know what is graph? In advertisement and all, we have noticed several things. That is, in case of drinks, that is Boost, Horlicks and so on. Maybe if we are watching that Horlicks or Complan, okay, I am a Complan boy, then what is happening there? Here will be other drinks, okay, then other drinks they will show. Maybe this is Complan, advertisement of Complan, okay. Then you can see that the level of Complan will be higher than other drinks, okay, other drinks. This will show like this way, the census, or they will say that this is the census of soft drinks or health drinks, okay, or health drinks. Here we are taking about health drinks, okay, health drinks, that is Complan, Boost, Horlicks and so on. They will say like that way, if we drink Complan daily, we will be more height, we will get more height than other drinks. Okay. So this is the bar graph. Actually, this is the bar graph of these type of drinks, health drinks. Okay. Now, if we are thinking about juices, maybe we can take the census of this juice, maybe mango juice, okay, then grapes, then apple, okay, then next one pineapple and so on. Okay, now I like pineapple juice. Okay, now we got one. Maybe apple you like more. Then grapes this much and mango this much. Okay, then pineapple maybe up to here. Maybe here we can see 0. Then here 10. That is from here to there. This is represented by students. Here will be 20 students. Here we can say 30 students. Then 40, then 50 and so on. Okay. Now for mango, this is up to here only. So didn't get 30 children, but it is more than 20. Maybe we can say this one is here 28 children. Okay. Then for grapes, it is up to here. So that is 40 children. Okay, 40 children. Here, that is 30 children. 30 children. Here, oh, this is 45 children. Okay, this way I got the number of students like this way. 28 children likes mango juice and 40 grapes, 30 children apple and 45 children pineapple, like this way. Okay, this is the representation of graph. This way we can represent the graphs. Okay, now for this tally mark, first we got 28, then 40, next one 30, then 45, like this way. First it was mango juice and next it was grapes, then apple, and next it was pineapple. Okay, then we can represent this one by tally marks. Okay, that is mango. How many? 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5. Now 10. This is 15. 20. Then 25. 1, 2, 3. 28. But in your textbook, this 5 is marked as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 line segments. Okay, then here this one we can mark it by line segments itself. Here 5. Okay, then next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5. Again 5. How many 5s? 5 5s. 5 5s are 25. Then 3 extra. Then here will be 3. Or this way will be the 3. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 line segments. Now it is represented by 28. Okay, next 40 children. No? So we know 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again 40. How many needed? 8. Okay. 8 5s are 40. This is represented by 25. Then 3 more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 5s are 40. You got it? Then if this is represented by 1, this line segment. Here 2. Then this is 3. And here it is 4. Then here it is 5. Is it clear for you? Now we can go through the examples given in the textbook. Okay.
Here, Yamini did a project, Animals and Birds. She asked each child of her class about one favorite pet animal. That is, she asked her friends about favorite pet animal. She used tally marks to record each answer. For example, if someone said cat, she put one line in front of cats. Here it is cats, then dogs, rabbits, cows, parrots, goats, squirrel. Then if she get one cat, she will mark like this way. Then if anyone said again cat, she can mark like this way. For one, then for second animal, then third animal, fourth one, and then fifth one. Like this way. Now we can count the number of pet animals. How can we count? By going through the tally marks. Animal name is given here. Next tally marks, then number. Here cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 complete 5s are there. That is 5. 4 5s are 20. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 cats are there. So 24 students like cats as a pet animal. Then dogs. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, that is 6 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, then 32. So, this is 32. Clear. Next, rabbits. that is 10. 1, 2, that is 10. Then cows, how many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5s are 20. Then 1 and 2, 22. Then parrots, here 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the answer. Here goats, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5s are 20. Then 1, 2, 3. How many squirrels? That is 1, 2, 3. So 3 5s are 15. So total number, we have to add all these animals. Then we will get the total number of animals. Total 131 animals are there. Now, look at the tally marks and write the number for each animal in the table. So we wrote it. How many children in all did Yamini talk to? That is, what is the total? 131. So the answer is 131. Which is the most favorite pet animal in this table? Here 32 is the greatest number. So dogs are representing. So dogs are the most favorite pet animal in this table. So we can write dog. Okay. Here this question is for you. Which pet animal you like to have? What will you name it? So what is the name of that? Which other animals can be kept at home? Okay. You think and write the answer here. Making tally marks on the road. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. The tally marks and vehicles. Cycle. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. 26, 27, 28. So the answer is 28. How many cycles? 28 cycles. Then car. 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. Then auto rickshaw. 1, 2, 3, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then here it is 15. Bus. Cycle rickshaw. That is 20, then 24. Here 5, then plus 1, 6. Total how many are there? Total number of vehicles 103 will be there. We have to add all these numbers. Then write the number of each vehicle in the table that we have done. Then how many vehicles in all did Sumita see on the road in half an hour? Oh, within half an hour, 103 vehicles. She noticed 103 vehicles. Auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks. How many auto rickshaws are there? 18 auto rickshaws are there. Is that thrice the number of trucks? How many trucks are there? 6 trucks are there. So 6 times 3, that is thrice multiplied by 3. What is the answer? 18. So it is correct. Okay. True. So we have to mark. Make tally marks for 7 more buses and 2 more trucks. 7 more buses. How can we represent 7? By using tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is 7. Okay, 7 buses. Then 2 more trucks. That is 1, 2. This is 2 trucks. Clear for you? Helping hands. In the EVS period, the teacher asked the children whether they helped their parents at home. There were different answers. Children named the work in which they help their parents the most. The teacher collected their answers and made a table. Help most in housework. Number of children going to the market. 47 children are going. Washing utensils, that is 15. Washing clothes, 3 children. Making serving food, 25 children. Oh, cleaning the house, that is 10 children. What about you, children? Are you ready to clean your house? Total children who said they helped their parents. So we have to add this. 47, 15, 3, 25 and 10. What is the answer we have to write there? Please add this and write here. Okay. Here I got 100. So total children who said they helped their parents are 100 children. So now you can fill the chapati chart to show the numbers given in the table. This is chapati chart. Actually, the name of this type of chart are known as pie chart. Okay, pie charts. Okay, now children who help in making or serving food are 1/3 of the total children. So, actually, we have to go through these numbers. Here, cleaning the house, how many children? 10 children. So, next, violet, this color is mentioned by less number of children. Here, more than this. Next, more than this color. Then, here, this part is quarter part of this circle. Here, this is more than half. Okay. So, we can write this one. Not more than half. Up to here, this is half. More than quarter will be there, but less than half. Okay. Because this is up to here only, not here. This is the half of circle. Okay, half of circle. This part and this part. Now, going to the market, 47. 47 is greater than other number. So, here, which shade is more? Here we can say this part is more. Okay, up to here. So, we can write here, going to the market. Going to the market. (47). Next, making serving food. Making serving food. How many are there? 25. Okay. Next, washing. Washing utensils. How many? 15. Cleaning the house, they already done. Then 10 children. Then washing clothes, only 3. Washing clothes, 3. Okay. This way we have to mark in pie chart. Here it is chapati chart. Okay. Addman, what is that? Ragini loves to watch cartoons on television. One day, she thought of counting the number of ads during the breaks. There will be advertisement during the breaks. She found that in each break, there were 14 advertisements. In 10 of those ads were children as actors. The question is, why do you think that children are used in so many ads? Because cartoons are... Ragini is watching cartoon. Now we can say cartoons are mostly watched by children. So they are using children for many ads. Use tally marks to count the number of ads during a short break in a program. How many ads are there? Advertisement, that is 14 advertisement are there. Now we have to represent this one. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is 10. Again 4 only. Now this is 14. Okay. Were there ads during the news program? You can write the answer here. Children, you can do one thing. Next time when you watch your favorite TV program, count the number of advertisements during each break. Use tally marks. Put a dot below the tally when you find children in any advertisement. Clear? You can do yourself. While watching the program, please do this. Don't forget to send this work to me. Next one is, have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? These are 2-bar chart. Bar graph. Okay. Then, this shows the highest temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, degrees Celsius. In 4 cities, in 2 different days. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. So here June 1st and here it is December 1st. Same cities itself but different days and month. Here for June 1st. Here for December 1st. So the question is, which city is the hottest on June? So this one. Highest. No? That is Jaisalmer. So we can write Jaisalmer. Which city is the coldest on December 1st? Here Shimla is shorter than other 3 bar graphs. So we can write it here Shimla. Which city shows little change in temperature on the 2 days? June 1st and December 1st. Here we have to compare these 2 bar graphs. Here Delhi this much but here up to here only 23. Here 33. Difference is 10. Next 22 but it is 10. So here difference also more. Then here it is Bangalore 28 but it is 24. So 4 degrees Celsius is the difference in 2 days. So here it is 38. Here it is 25. The difference is more. So the question is, which city shows little change in temperature on the 2 days? So little change. Here Bangalore 4 degree only. So we can write Bangalore. I think you got more ideas about this chart work. Okay.